Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. And through the origins and engagements of our peaceful abiding and higher seeking for innumerable eons, but this comes from ourselves. It is not in anything else. Within a heart essence in which there is nothing to hunt for, we use an attitude of not holding on or searching to abide. In the reality in which there is nothing to do or make, our abode is a dominion that is self-originating without any strife. The self-originating visualizes itself by itself. This heart essence that is not to be visualized arises from itself without our hunting for it. There is nothing to attribute. This is beyond any object. There is nothing to meditate on. This is the space of the dominion of the Dharma. There is nothing to work toward. This is primordial Buddhahood. There is no renunciation, study, opening, education, purity, active empowerment, acceptance, or rejection. We follow the river of our understanding of thusness. So where is our primordial enlightenment? Primordial seeing is already done. It is already arranged. It is already realized. We are already primordial Buddhas. From the beginning, we have nothing to work on or to hunt for. Self-origination is pure. It exhausts the things that we see. This is also the reality of our grasping. In the heart essence of the Dharma, there is no grasping. We may hang a sign at the doorway of the Dharma, but there will be no end at which the heaps of the Dharma will be exhausted. We may give birth to some consciousness about our ideas, but in the space that equals the sky, we are primordially one. We are primordially free from good and evil, from acceptance and rejection. We have nothing to contrive or hold on to. This is a space of wisdom.